This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2015 Kubota KX080 mini excavator. It is similar to Caterpillar, John Deere, Bobcat, and more. It is 74,900 Canadian dollars. It's located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We can ship anywhere inexpensively. This unit was purchased new in 2016 by the last owner. It has an enclosed cab with heat and AC. It has an 18,000 pound operating weight and a 67 horsepower 2-speed diesel engine with 4,100 hours. It digs 15 feet 1 inch deep. It includes a tooth bucket and hydraulic thumb. The rubber tracks are at 75%. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com.